Okay, so this question says that you have a new job where you earn 13% commission in addition to $5.25 per hour. On your first day, you work for 7.75 hours and you sell $95.20 worth of merchandise. How much money did you make? First, let's start by underlining important information, okay? So what is important in this question that we need to note?
13% commission.
Good. You make 13% commission. Do you remember what the word commission means?
Like profit.
So it's kind of like, think of it like a bonus. Like if you work at a job and if you sell stuff for them, the company's going to give you like a little bonus. You're going to get a certain percentage of whatever you sell and you get that added onto your paycheck, okay? So it's like an incentive. It gives you a reason to want to try and work hard for the company and sell something. Okay, so what other information are we given?
Addition to $5.25 per hour.
Right. You make $5.25 per hour. So that's your hourly pay. And what else are we told?
Work for 7.75 hours.
Yep, you're working for 7.75 hours on the first day, and
Sell $95.20 worth.
so you're selling $95.20 of merchandise for the store. Okay, so we have to do a few things here. What's the first thing you want to calculate? What do we need to figure out first? Because we need to know how much money did you make. Well, we know that your pay is based on your hourly rate, so let's write that here, right? And we know how much you make per hour, and we know how many hours you work. And what else is your pay based on?
Commission.
It's based on the commission. Good. It's based on a commission, and we know that the commission is 13%, and you've sold $95.20 for the store. Okay, so first we need to figure out our hourly pay. Okay, sorry, let me change this to pay. We know the rate, but we need to know how much we get paid altogether, right? So what is the rate? Let me just keep that at rate. What is the rate? What do we get paid?
$5.25 per hour.
Per hour, and we work a total of 7.75 hours in total. Well, we need to know how much do we make altogether just from the hours that we put in at the job. So if we know how much we make in 1 hour, per 1 hour, how are we going to find out how much we make in 7.75 hours?
Multiply $5.25 by 7.7.
Good. Okay, so let's do that first. 5.25 multiplied by 775. When we calculate this, we get 40.6875, but we're dealing with money, so we want to know what is that approximately equal to in a dollar amount. So it's $40, and we're going to round to the nearest penny. 68, we look next door. This is a number that's greater than 5, so we round up. Okay, so 69 cents. Now think of this kind of like your base pay. You're getting $40.69 just from spending 7.75 hours at the store. Just from being there, you're getting $40.69. Okay, that's even if you don't sell anything at all. But as a bonus, because you sold something for the store, you're going to get 13% of whatever you sell. So we're making 13% of $95.20. Obviously, the store needs to make some money off of what you sold, but as a bonus, as an incentive, they're going to give you 13% of what you sold. Okay, so we need to calculate percentage of a number. Okay, so there's a few ways that we can calculate a percent of a number, and the method we've chosen today is to set this up as a proportion. Okay, so what is 13% written as a fraction?
13 over 100.
Good. We know that percent's always out of 100. So 13 out of 100 is going to be equal to something out of $95.20. You're getting a percentage, so a certain amount out of the total, okay? So how are we going to solve this? Now there's a couple ways that you can solve proportions, and what's the method you want to use today?
Cross multiply.
Cross multiply, good. Okay, so we're going to multiply 100 times x, which will give us 100x, and then we're going to multiply 13 times 95.20. And I'm just continuing it on the next page so we have more room. So we have 100x equals, what's 13 times 95.20? 1,237.6, okay? Now we need to isolate x, that means we need to have x by itself. So what's the opposite of 100 multiplied by x?
100 divided by
Good, we're gonna divide by 100. So it's 100 divided by 100. This reduces to 1, so we're left with just 1x or x. And because I divided the left side by 100, I need to divide the right side by 100. So 1,237.6 divided by 100 will give us 12.376. Now, don't forget we're dealing with money, right? We needed to know what 13% of $95.20 is, because that's how much commission we're getting. So if x is equal to 12.376, how much money are we going to get as a commission? $12 and, round it to the nearest penny, 38 cents. Okay, so let's go back to our question. Looking back at the original question, we calculated how much we're going to make in 7.75 hours, and that was our base pay. That's how much we get paid hourly. Altogether, we calculated that we get $40.69. And then on top of that, we also get a commission for working hard and making the store money, which was 13% of $95.20, and we calculated that to be $12.38. But the question said, how much money do you make altogether? So altogether, what are we going to do now to find how much we make?
add the two.
Right, add the two together. So $40.69 plus $12.38. Okay, so 9 plus 8, 17. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 3, 5. Okay, so altogether, just from that one day of work, we're going to make $53.07 from being at the job for 7.75 hours. Okay?